Today we brings you a beautiful home tour with excellent interior and exterior works.
ഞാൻ എഞ്ചിനീയർ ജാസിം ആനമങ്ങാടൻ. കേന്ദ്ര സർക്കാരിൻ്റെ കീഴിൽ ഡൽഹിയിലുള്ള നാഷണൽ ബിൽഡിംഗ് കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ കോർപ്പറേഷനിൽ സ്ട്രക്ചറൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറായി ജോലി ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷം തിരുവനന്തപുരത്തെ ലാൽ ബഹദൂർ ശാസ്ത്രി എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് കോളേജിൽ സിവിൽ വിഭാഗത്തിൽ അസിസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് പ്രൊഫസറായിട്ട് ജോലി ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ലക്ഷറീസ് ആയിട്ട് ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ബഡ്ജറ്റിൽ ചെയ്യുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് നല്ല എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ്. അത്തരത്തിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന പരമാവധി സ്മാർട്ട് വർക്ക് ഈ ഒരു വർക്കിൽ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും.
The 5-meter-long sliding gate is used here. Automatic remote control and Wi-Fi control switch on Amazon Alexa is used at the gate here. In the case of interlock we have two options, artificial and natural stones. Artificial stones always increase the home temperature and dust problems, so we choose the natural stone for interlocking. Before it was a small sit-out area with a small porch. After the renovating it is a beautiful vast spaced sit-out. Moving on, we entering the living area. Before only a normal style showcase done on the wall. Now that showcase changed to wooden panel shelf with LED spotlights. More wallpaper works are done on the wall for the management of cost. We know that more process are included for wall painting like whitewashing, wall putty, two-coat painting etc. This is the hall with dining area. The control center of this smart home is located in hall. All controls are set to the Amazon Alexa. Gate control, AC control, automatic switches, Wi-Fi cameras and all other controls are integrated by Amazon Alexa. This is the first bath attached bedroom. Wardrobes, double cot bed and beautiful ceiling works are bring good ambience to this bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Here the client is a doctor, they have more health concern than others. Therefore the space intended to be a dressing area, separated wet and dry area. Let's check it. Next we checking the prayer room. This is a common toilet. In our homes, women spend most of their time in the kitchen. So we decided that will be a comfort zone for them. Therefore the kitchen is air conditioned. The kitchen interior construction materials are done by wood, plastic, composite materials. Cupboard and other frameworks are done by using this material. Kitchen leads to work area. Fireplace and washing area are arranged here. Next we are going to check the first floor, railing of the stair made by glass with wooden frame. This is the beautiful vast spaced upper living area.
Home is the dream of everyone. By the grace of God, we too completed our dream home. From the experience and expertise of my engineering team, Buildyou and Company, especially Assistant Professor Jasim Yusuf, who were behind this project and made this a grand success by renovating an old home of 20 years. And definitely you can feel no effect of old home and feel the comfortness and luxury of the new home.